Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be resetting this Blackberry to its factory default settings. This is a very similar process for most Blackberry phones. This particular one is a Blackberry 7290. So let's go ahead and do this right now. So as you can see, this phone is password enabled. And I actually purchased it at a garage sale, but we're going to be selling it in used condition on eBay. And basically, I have no idea what the password is. So what you can see on here is that there are a number of different tries that you get when you're entering these passwords to unlock the phone. You can see I've already used 2 of 10, or I'm on 2 of 10, I should say, for entering passwords to try to unlock the phone. When you get to 10, the phone will ask you if you want to default it to the factory default settings. It's kind of a security feature, and it just wants to make sure there's going to be a number of different steps that will make you enter in order to factory default it. But that's basically kind of a security protocol, but also what we can use in order to get it to those settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in a bunch of random numbers, and then I'm going to click this side button, and as you can see, it's going to say, hey, incorrect. So let's hit OK. Okay, let's hit the unlock. And we're on number 3, hit enter. So what I'm gonna actually do is input a bunch more incorrect passwords and get us up to the point so you can see what happens when you get close to that number 10. Okay, we've reached our number 7, and as you can see, it's now gonna ask us, hey, we wanna make sure that you are actually inputting stuff here and this isn't an accidental incorrect password. So I'm gonna type in Blackberry to continue here. Okay, we're gonna hit the enter button. And as you can see, it's going to allow you to now input passwords again. Okay, we're actually on number 9 now, and you can see it's going to ask you to do the Blackberry password again. Again, this is just kind of some safety features to make sure you are in fact entering these passwords. Okay, I've entered Blackberry. Let's hit this to continue. And as you can see, we're on number 9. Let's go ahead and do this again. And unlock. Okay, so now you can see that we are on our last attempt. If we fail on this one, the information is going to be erased upon failure, meaning it's going to go back to its factory default settings. Everything in here is going to be erased. So we want to go ahead and do that. All right, last time I'm going to enter an incorrect password here. And as you can see, it's going to start going to that reboot factory wipe process. Okay, the phone is going to be turning back on now. Again, this is just going through the reboot process. This specific reboot can take a little bit longer because the phone is completely resetting. All right, friends, I really hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? And go ahead and subscribe as well. We got a lot more tech tutorial videos that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.